back. Please adjust your sound. I think I'm a little low this time, not sure. I don't normally do shout outs or whatever, but I had to this time. Jamie's mom is visiting, and she left a text message and her name. And then she left a voicemail but didn't say how to pronounce her name. And to be honest, I do not speak New Jersey. Okay, but anyway, let's do this movie. What do you say? Let's pull something out of the freezer, right? It's sausage. Of course, it's in the freezer unless you're going to cook it, because it'll go bad. Now, I prefer the tube sausage, and I'll show you why. But first, we have to acknowledge any new subscribers that pop in. I'm trying to live a what's called a minimalist lifestyle. There it is. It's living with only the bare essentials. But my bare essentials is modern technology. so so let's go to the lab and play with some sausage. All right. As Jim Carrey might say. Alrighty then. So uh, this is one of my basic things I do about every other day. I take one of them tube sausage things. I unskin it because it comes in plastic, and that's it. And then I simply cut it into maybe, I cut it down the middle and two sides, so I get like 5 pieces, 4 pieces, depends on how it is. And then I take that cylinder piece without messing with it, and I stack it up in the New Wave oven. Again, for you new viewers, I do tend to lean into the more carnivore diet until I eat carbs. Okay, so but to learn to do carnivore stuff to lose weight, I had to come up with some different ideas. Now, by doing it the way I do it with this cone method, I'm able to slice it up into kind of like pepperoni. Now, I do think that I would use pepperoni, or if I'm going to use sausage on a pizza, I would not cover my pizza with discs of sausage. This is just way too much sausage to no. Cut it up and crumble it on a pizza, okay, but not slices like pepperoni. No way. Woo! Here we go. So after the pepperoni slicing, I slice it the other way, and then do another slice the other way again, and turn it all into cubes, minced cubes. Now it's not ground, it's cubes. Totally different mouth feel and everything when you eat it, and this is it in the bowl, right? Very nice, and it's already cooked. Okay, not a big deal. I throw it in a little mini wok, put a little crisp on it. You know what I mean? Hit it with 375 degree skillet temperature, whatever. Get it smoking hot, and just put a nice little, charry deal on it. It's not, rocket science. You're not gonna burn it because it's already cooked. Of course, you don't want to walk away from it, but stir it up, and then here you go, bang, right? I love my microphone in and out. Now it's deceiving, but you know what's in it, right? It looks pretty yummy. There you go. Question is, would you eat that, right? Hey, every other day, nice. Ooh, are we done? No. I don't know if you noticed, but Gladys made an appearance. Now, those who follow, Gladys was introduced, I don't know, an episode or two or so ago, but we're following. Now, here's a nice outside shot, Gladys in action, right? And then, yes, we have an up close and personal shot. Thank you. We'll watch Gladys's career go up through all the scrapes and knivings and choppings. I want to thank everyone for popping in. Leave a comment, a period, whatever. I had a lot of fun doing this one. Oh, no. Here we go.